Hydraulics on. Spindle on.
That's moving in, and this
Gets
is
to
the
the end.
it's
It'll
gonna
come down a tenth.
10th, because it's set right there for 10th, right?
Yes.
I can see the table moving in.
Go faster. You have your adjustments on your distance for your table here,
Yep.
and your adjustments on the z-axis here.
Okay. And then this is the blower. The blower can
Your dust exhaust. Every time you hit a button, you have to hit this.
Okay.
And shut that off. Or you can use coolant. You cannot use dust exhaust and coolant at the same time.
Okay. And the coolant's there too. Those are the two coolants, and then this is the hydraulic. It's hydraulic pump. Okay. Round. So, all the electronics are good and working. Power unit. We have all the manuals. Back of the unit with automatic boiler.
Now this, when it hits the other end, you notice this is going the opposite direction.
Okay.
So it goes in and out.
Okay. And this comes down automatically.
It comes down if you want it to, or you can bring it down whatever you'd like yourself.
Okay.
But it's set on auto right
It's, and you set that right there.
now. Yeah, you set your tenths
Okay.
and your sizes if you're there. But a full set, full operation manual.